First of all, Patrick, if you tell me a little bit about your background with these courses here in Wales.
Been starting my badges 2.5 years ago. I started with my B license, A license, and I'm into my pro license. It's been a long journey, but really enjoyed every single day of it.
How did you get involved with the courses in the first place?
But in the first place, Marcel Desailly talked to me about the Welsh FA and how open-minded the session was, and I just said, okay, that is something that I was looking for. That is something for me, because my vision is that I have some ideas, I have my personality, and I wanted to learn, but to stay who I am as a person, and that is what the Welsh FA has been given to me, and not try to change or not try to just say this is the way to be a coach or a manager. There is a different way of doing it, and it's been really good for me.